Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wells Fargo to manage credit card spending alerts, full guide step by step clearly. To start managing your credit card spending alerts with Wells Fargo, begin by visiting the Wells Fargo website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign On button. Enter your Wells Fargo online ID and password in the provided fields. If you do not have an online account, click on Enroll Now to create one. Fill out the required information on the enrollment form, including your social security number and account details. Once your registration is complete, log in to your Wells Fargo account. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the dashboard. Select your credit card account from the list displayed. Look for the Manage Alerts option within the account details. Click on Add Alert to customize your credit card spending alerts. Choose the type of alert you wish to set, such as spending limits or payment reminders. Enter the parameters for your alert, like the spending threshold or frequency. Confirm your selections, and click Save to activate your alerts. Review the alerts you've set to ensure they meet your needs. You can always return to this section if you wish to modify or delete any alerts in the future. Once everything is set up, monitor your credit card activity to stay informed. With these alerts, you'll be better equipped to manage your spending and stay within your budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.